So Worcester Presses sells mechanical presses, so being the Worcesters and obviously the Ching Fongs. The Ching Fong is the mechanical side of it, and along with that we do ancillary. But going back to the Ching Fong machines, we stock machines so we can respond to customers' needs a lot faster. On the hydraulic side, these are normally a tailored machine, so we take obviously people's spec. There is obviously a standard range, but normally people want something a bit different, and again that can be quoted to suit. On the smaller machines, or not any of our machines, we'd like to bring them here and get them passed off here. On the bigger machines, because of logistic problems, we always send it direct to site to keep the cost as sharp as we can. Coil handling side, you've got the decoilers, straighteners and the feeders. 9 times out of 10 it is Tomac equipment on there, and they're fantastic when it comes to the heavy duty side. Again, to stock that equipment is quite difficult because customers have so many different needs. On the sales of packages of equipment, because often we do individual machines, which would be light guard operated, which are quite straightforward, we do plenty of those. But we've done more since we've moved into our facility, this new facility in 2016. Our business model has changed because we've got the floor space now. So we do complete lines, but we can build it here. So what we do, we build it, the customer can bring the tool, they can run product, and before it leaves here, we have a customer acceptance. So it is quite unique that we can pass it all off here, which I don't think many people offer. People like the idea of that, customers like the idea, because when it lands on site, it is just plug and play. Because we stock all the dry cut items and also the wet cut items, there is nobody in the UK that stocks these, so obviously we are the hub for the industry. Because we have the equipment here and the parts here, we haven't got to wait long lead times, so the idea is to get customers up and running as quick as we possibly can. It is critical. These machines have to be going up and down to make the customers money. If they're not, it's costing them, so obviously we understand that. Now, people think, well, why do you stock all those parts? Well, the reason is to keep customers going. There's a microswitch, really simple, but it's not an off-the-shelf item in the UK, but it is from us because we stock them via Ching Fong. So that part, as much as it's a very small part, could stop your machine. We have it in stock and you can be up and running within hours. So to complement the press side, obviously the Worcester Presses is where we came from, and we still make all the parts, and they are manufactured and turned from raw materials to finished product in-house, which not many people know. The advantages of having the machine shop, that we can do all the parts that we've got in the stores, but also if Ching Fong can't get a part to us quick enough because of shipping, because obviously it is from Taiwan, Ching Fong will give us the parts and the drawings for the part, and we can reverse engineer or engineer from here, so we can obviously respond. When people do give us a call or they want to put it on the calendar, it goes through to the service department. The service department then can obviously tailor the package to suit. If they just want a standard service or they want a contract, they can do that, and it is quoted from there. The girls in the office who do that are really good at what they do now because they've got the experience. They've been on site as well, which they've really enjoyed that side of it. On the UK CA, CE, and also on the ISO 9001, because often we're working with these bodies, they often then inform us of what's going on in the future. So we like to think we're going to be either in front or absolutely on time with all the right legislation,